Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add animations to your video. So all you have to do is to use this DaVinci Resolve 18 and you just have to import a picture here. So let's just say this picture you wanted to have or add effect to this like zoom effect. So all you have to do is to simply go to effects and look for the zoom feature. Actually, there are lots of options of Zoom here, so pick the one that you like. Okay. And if you want to do some editings on that Zoom feature or Zoom effect, you can go to this right side and adjust. For example, you want to adjust the zoom settings and fade out and fade in of this effect, then you can just simply go to this part here. What I'm doing right now is I'm trying to adjust the zoom effect. Okay, but it turned out to be too much. So anyways, you can just adjust anything here. And then once you're done with the zoom and you want to edit the exit and entrance of the effect, then you can also adjust everything here. Just click the video and go to inspector and you can see options there, the video, audio, effects, transition, something like that. So all you have to do is to adjust everything here to get the result that you want. So this is what it looks like if you want a zoom effect. Now, if you play the video and you don't like the fade in and fade out, let's just say you don't like the end result, then you can just simply go to inspector again, video, and then click transition. And under effect, zoom in, you can control everything here, also the settings. So if you want the in to be different effect and the out to be different effect, then you can just simply adjust the settings right here. So like what I have mentioned earlier, it's not just zoom in. We can also choose zoom in and out, crash zoom. So you just have to go and find this options, features, effects under effects on DaVinci. And I know that for an image like this, you want to highlight the zoom in. So you want to be more specific with the view. You want to specify that it's a wonderful view if you want to zoom in this picture. Okay, so like what I've said, you just have to go to zoom in and just adjust everything here on the right side. Okay, so aside from zoom in, zoom out, fade in, fade out, there are also other effects and options which you can highlight the view of a certain picture or specific picture. So you just have to go to effects and then under effects you can see there are options like slide transition. So there are some options on slide effect if you want your video to appear like this, or the entrance or the fade out of the video is something like slide to the left, slide to the right, or you just want your picture to pop up like this. Okay, so you just have to go to slide transition and pick the one which suits to your picture or to your image. Okay, so the result can be like this if you combine this slide effects. I think slide effects is good for when you want to present something for presentation, for images, something like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, of course, aside from slide, we have also other effects here for your animation. Okay, so for video presentation or video transition, all you have to do is to simply go to effects. So yes, aside from slide, we have also here other transitions, other effects. So I'm going to show you the other examples here. Okay, so we have for Fusion titles, you can actually add some titles on your presentation or your video. Okay, so you just have to go to Fusion titles here. Okay, you can just drag it or insert it in any part or any section of the video. So you just have to drag it and put it somewhere like that. Okay, so when you go up, you can see here video transitions. So first we have here is additive dissolve. You can just simply drag this effect here or double click. Also, we have here blur dissolve if you want a blur effect to your image or video. Okay, so like this. If you want to show something like the person is having a hard time seeing that picture, then you can try this effect. Cross dissolve, we have here smooth cut, we have here also shapes below, we have here arrow, cross, and anything here. Actually, you just have to scroll down and explore the effects of this DaVinci Resolve 18. So actually, this DaVinci Resolve 18 is a good editing software for making projects such as presentations and movies, something like that. So it's very good because this application is for free and then it's also easy to use. So this is just a basic and very simple tutorial for DaVinci Resolve 18. If you spend more time exploring this DaVinci Resolve 18, then you will be amazed with the wonderful effects and wonderful feature of this editing software. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.